Unger Construction's 401k profit sharing plan has activated the paperless feature for our account. Effective March 1st, 2014, any and all changes to your 401k account will need to be submitted online. This will include deferral changes and investment allocation changes. All deferral changes must be submitted online by the 20th of the month preceding a new quarter, or your changes will not be processed in payroll. At the end of this training, you will know how to log into your first mercantile account and set up your user ID. You will know how to change deferral percentage for contributions. And lastly, you will know how to adjust your investment allocation. So let's begin. To access your 401k account online, you will first need to log into First Mercantile's website, www.yourinvestmentaccount.com. If you are accessing the website for the first time, you will need to set up your account and create a user ID. To set up your account, click on the Login button on the top right section of the screen. Enter your user ID. If you do not have a user ID, you will need to click on the word "Here" in the sentence, "Don't have a user ID, please click here to get one." Now you will need to complete the necessary fields to create your user ID. Enter your Social Security number with no dashes. Enter your PIN number. First Mercantile mailed your PIN number to the address noted on your 401k enrollment form. If you lost your PIN number, you will need to contact the Participant Services Helpline at 1-800-754-9080 to have a new PIN number generated for you. Now you need to create a user ID between 7 to 15 alphanumeric characters in length, re-enter the same user ID, enter your email address, and press Create to continue. You will now need to re-enter the user ID you created on the previous screen and select Continue. Enter your PIN number and select Continue. First Mercantile has an added security measure to protect your banking information, whereby users are required to authenticate the computer being used to access your 401k account information. Select Continue to begin the multi-factor initial setup process. As First Mercantile's website authenticates the computer, the status of the steps will read Completed. Select Continue. Now you will need to complete the multi-factor initial setup process. Enter a secondary password. This should be between 6 to 8 characters in length. Re-enter the secondary password. Create a password reminder. Create a verification phrase. Enter your email address. The cell phone or pager number and cell phone or pager carrier are optional. You only need to enter this information if you wish to receive text messages when you log into your account. Click Save to continue, and then you will be presented with the Login button. When you log in, you will be presented with the main account screen. You will see your current balance and a Details button. Click on the Details button to enter the full site. To make a deferral change, select the Actions tab. Click on Deferral Percentage. You will now need to select the source from the drop-down list and select Submit. Next, you will enter the percentage of the paycheck you wish to defer and click Save. You will then receive a verification your account change request has been accepted. To choose your investment allocations, select the Investments tab. A list of all available investment options for Unger's 401k plan will appear. Click on the profile link to the left of any fund to obtain the fund profile information. This is an example of a fund profile. To adjust your investment allocations, select the Actions tab and click on Adjust Election Percentages. Choose your allocation. The total allocation must equal 100% and select Submit. Next, you will be asked to verify your entries. Then select Submit. You will then receive a verification confirming your account change request has been accepted. If you need additional assistance with any other web functions, please contact the Participant Services Helpline at 1-800-754-9080 and select option 2.